my name is Hannah Milo.
And I'm Ella Dale.
Today we'll teach you the winning song of Hookline and Sing Along 2016 that Ella and I wrote together.
We will also be doing this with the help of our friends Amy Petherbridge and Ella Krask. If you would like more information on how we wrote the song, go check out our Q&A on YouTube.
So let's get started. At the beginning of the picking pattern, we have 2 rests. So before you start the picking pattern, count 1, 2. It goes something like this. 1, 2. One, 2. 1, 3, off, off. 1, 3, off, off. 1, 3, off, 3, 1, off, 3, 1. The next thing we're going to learn is the middle harmony. We've just learned the melody, which is up the top, and now we're going to learn what's in the middle. So it goes something like this. 1, 2. The timing for the middle harmony is exactly the same as the first one. You're just playing it on the top string rather than on your E string. And the last part we're going to learn is harmony 2, which is the top part. What you want to do is slide your fingers all the way up to the top of the fretboard and have your fingers on 8 on the E string. It's exactly the same timing as the other 2, just higher up the fretboard. So this is how it sounds like. This one is for more experienced players, but you can try it out at home if you want to.
Now we are going to learn the strumming pattern. If you didn't already know this, the little staple figure is the downstroke and the V is the upstroke, if that helps. So the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down throughout the whole song. Now we will work on the chords. So throughout the chorus and the verses, it is the same chord changes. So we start on an F, then a D minor, then a B flat, then a C, and it sounds like this. Now we will run through the introduction. I'm strumming, Amy's doing the melody, Ella's doing harmony, the first part, and Hannah's doing the high harmony. And the strumming starts on the first beat.
Okay, ready? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now we will look at the lyrics.
Aotearoa. This word is often said as Aotearoa, but that's not how it's said. Aotearoa.
The next word we will work on is aroha.
Aroha.
Some people pronounce this word as aroha, but it's aroha.
The definition of a riff is
a short repeated phrase in a popular music and jazz,
frequently played over changing chords or harmonies, or used as a background to a solo improvisation. Here's the riffs. These riffs come in every second line in verses 1 and 2. Just like the introduction, there are 3 parts to the riff: the melody, harmony 1, and harmony 2. Time to learn the riffs. I will sing the notes and play the ukulele at the same time. We'll start off with the melody, go to the harmony 1 and then harmony 2. This is the melody. 1, 3, off, 1, 3, 1. That's played on the E string and the A string. Now for harmony 1, it goes off, 1, 3, off, 1, off. That just stays on your A string. And for harmony 2, it goes on your E string and your A string, and it goes 8, 10, 8, 8, 10, 8.
Let's look back at the chords. In the pre-chorus and the bridge, they are the same chords, but there's just a different chord sequence. So it goes from being an F, D minor, B flat, and C to a G minor, B flat, F, C. And it's the same for the pre-chorus and the bridge.
And in the bridge, you single strum each chord until you get to the chorus, which becomes a cappella for the first line. Finally, it's time to sing Are Aotearoa from the beginning to the end. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. The lyrics for the ad-libs are Kia kaha, kia toa, kia manama nui, Aotearoa. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Kia sky.